wish that I would've known better. Better love makes a fat romance last for more than a shit
I'm older, took all the words of my mother, saying it could be worse, could be born with that disease instead of catching it first.
So let's go back to the first time that I met you in your Chevy, with your hands stretched and me crying, screaming, mercy, mercy. But I know that I was put here to fight Vikings in a cold war, with my arms out in the front, singing, dare me, dare me. But these things take time, love. These things take backbone. And they tell you what you want to hear, 'cause baby it gets better, better. But you better know how to point out the liars. You got to weigh your walls, make sure you're not fighting for nothing, nothing. Are you fighting for nothing, nothing?
Feels like this world has been growing slowly upside down. Maybe I should move to China, straighten these smuts out. Watch all the sky for falling words, write about my grandma's curtains, or the lady who put the Chinese buffet in her purse.
Got my mouth, it's a weapon, it's a bombshell, it's a cannon. I've got my words, it won't give them mercy, mercy. But these things take time, love. These things take backbone. And they tell you what you want to hear, 'cause baby it gets better, better. But you better know how to point out the liars. You got to
picture your face on the other side, completely oblivious. Do you really feel like this love is real? I wish I could join you. I'm bored of your love, I'm bored of your face, I'm bored of your rhythm all over the place. Attitude, I'm bored of you.
So I thought about what you said last night. Normally I probably wouldn't, but something you said kept me up all night. I tried to sleep, but I just couldn't. I hope you still feel like this love is for real, 'cause I know that I do. I'm in love with your love, in love with your face, in love with almost everything that you say. Yes, it's true, I'm in love with you.